This event was preceded by 6 months of planning and 1.5 weeks setting up work. The result was a perfect interplay of light, sound, multimedia and effects that, alongside the historical premises, were a source of emotive and enduring impressions. The focal point of the presentation was to be the Brandenburg Gate, the worldwide symbol of Germany's division and reunification. Using the latest technologies, the team of experts from Mediapool Veranstaltungstechnik GmbH, under the direction of engineer and production manager Marcus Mechelhoff, set Berlin's famous landmark wonderfully in scene and thus created a unique stage for artists as different as Peter Gabriel, Udo Lindenberg, Silly and Paul Kalkbrenner. Staging the various parts of the event harmoniously with the Brandenburg Gate was a great challenge to the engineers. For example, a video wall permanently in front of the gate was completely unacceptable. The obvious solution, one or more mobile video walls, would have demanded a very high-trust construction that in turn would have precluded the visual impression of the Brandenburg Gate for both spectators at the event and the TV cameras. Marcus Mechelhoff solved the problem with LED walls that could be moved via track systems. For the festival, 6 movable WICREATIONS video walls were built onto carriages that could be moved precisely over the entire length of 70 meters thanks to a special drive system in a track fitted into the stage floor. Depending on the item and the program, the walls, which were secured with very heavy concrete weights against the highest possible winds, could be moved to the required position. This engineering solution not only permitted the scenery to be very flexible, it also helped the television cameras to show the 26-meter high Brandenburg Gate in the best possible light. Praise for Marcus Mechelhoff came not only from the customer and the spectators of the festival, but also from the sector. It is projects such as these that ensure our sector remains innovative. This year's Opus German Stage Award, ladies and gentlemen, goes to a more than deserving winner. Please welcome Marcus Mechelhoff. The Opus 2015 will be handed over and presented by Michael Bieber, director Prolight Sound.
Hello, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Nice voice, by the way. Oh, it's really nervous because normally we work behind the scenes and are not standing on the stage, so they start to shaking a little bit. But it's really an honor for us. I'm speaking here on behalf of the whole team. It was a huge team. We were around 700 people there. But I don't count them here, so yes, and it's really an honor and privilege for us to receive this nice prize, and I would like to thank the Messe Frankfurt, the VPRT, the EVVC, and all the guys at the juries. Thanks a lot, it's an honor for me and the whole team. And a few years ago, the legend Mark Fisher, the Opus Posthum winner of last year's Opus, told me, Marcus, our job is more or less 99% invisible, or should be invisible. And of course you like what you're doing and you love what you do, and in the end the audience don't care. And that's our job should be about, that our work is normally invisible. But today, as on these kind of events, it's maybe an honor for us to bring the guys in focus who worked on this. And I want to say thanks to to the German government as our client, who undertakes this enterprise with us. I want to thank the city of Berlin, who did this beautiful lighting border, maybe you saw with the balloons. And that was really great, Mark Bauder and Christopher Bauder, who invented it. And we had the chance that the audience didn't recognize that there were two events made to one. And of course, I want to thank the whole great team. First of all, I want to thank our director, Sven Bayer, and his network of Phase 7. Also, Opus Preisträger in 2013, I guess. I want to thank our outstanding lighting designer, Björn Herrmann, who fights for light. I want to thank. I want to thank. I want to thank. Hold on one second. 698. Yes, all the video and content designer, because without content it's senseless. Yeah. All the YouTube video wall who's moving. And I want to thank all the crazy Belgian guys who helped us. It's funny enough that a huge bunch of Belgians helped us. There's, as you mentioned, WICREATIONS, who did an amazing job. Without them, it wouldn't be possible. I want to thank XL Video for providing the video system. I want to thank Stage Go Germany. It's also, but originally it's also a Belgian company. I want to thank PNG with the support of some companies here who have boosters here. And with this super Sharpie weapon, it's really great to have that. I want to thank our sound provider, Pool Sound with Maya Sound, our whole TV team, and last but not least, I want to thank all the artists with their production team. Sorry that I'm so long, but that's, we have to do it. So, and all the productions of the artists like Günther Jäckle, Gunther Hecker, Pat Bure, all these crazy guys. And especially I want to thank my mentor, friend and boss, Siggy Paul, who always helped and guided me with his knowledge, experience, and kept me motivated. And last but not least, I want to thank my wife and my beautiful children. Thanks again.